Hello friends, welcome back to the bench. Today we're going to take a look at this beautiful metal detector, or as they call it, the VLF Discriminator. All-purpose VLF Discriminator. Basically a metal detector. And the problem with it is that even after battery replacement, it still doesn't work. So let's take a look and see if we can figure out why it's not working. And it's alive. Alrighty, the device is put back together, tested. It's working actually much better than mine. Mine is from Radio Shack, from like, I don't know, 90s maybe, and this one's maybe from 80s. Hard to say, but it's extremely accurate, and you have so many ways of tuning it for the best results. It's absolutely amazing. But what was wrong with it? Actually, very simple problem. So here we have a battery compartment, like so, and the carriage. Come on, carriage, get out. No, you won't get out. Come on. There you go. Okay, come on, Mr. Battery Compartment. Okay, so this is the battery pack. So I used the soldering iron to kind of melt and fuse the plastic where I could. The rest I just used the zip ties to hold it all together, and that was the whole issue. So the complaint was that after battery replacement the device still didn't work, because we only replaced those 4 batteries, and on the other side we have 4 more, because this is 12-volt device. They're all in series. So when I connected the batteries, I checked the voltage and I had like what, like half a volt, something like that. So this was the only issue with it, just power. Let's put it maybe like this. There. And let's close it. And now it's ready to go. Working really beautifully, and I'm very happy with it. Well, actually, it's not mine, so but I'm happy that it does work, and I would definitely like to have one like this, because mine from Radio Shack is a really crappy one. It does detect, it does work, but it's a really crappy one. Alright guys, with that, thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you in the next one.